Happy holidays. I'm Brian Richforth. I think I know most of you, nearly everyone. There's a couple guests here tonight that I may not have met. Happy holidays, happy Hanukkah, Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa. Whatever you're celebrating, we're glad that you guys are with us tonight. Tonight is a special celebration. We have not been here for over 2 years. In addition to just having a great time and celebrating, being together, we're also giving back to our communities. Tonight, please play at the tables. If you run out of vouchers, please run out of vouchers and then get some more vouchers. Graphite GTC has a charitable foundation called Graphite Gives Back. That money goes to charities like Coded by Kids or Girls Who Code, really technology-based companies that are impacting the communities that we all live in. Chris Golly, who runs Graphite GTC, the technology that's disrupting the software industry and will eliminate the need for the 21 million coders today by turning 7 billion people in the world into citizen developers so everyone can code. Chris, thanks for your vision and your leadership.
Thanks for coming and supporting our charitable event, guys. And have a great holiday if I don't see some of you. Thanks for coming.